In today's video, we're going to be starting a new project. It's the full renovation and extension of this red brick house. The house was only built in 1984 for a house that's not that old, but yet here we are. As you can see, the house is not in that bad a condition on the inside. However, a lot has changed in the last 40 years, especially with insulation and how we heat our homes now. This house has no insulation inside it. Also, it's been heated with oil for the last 40 years, and we're going to upgrade that to a new heat pump system, which is a lot more energy efficient. Now, let's get straight into demolishing this house. Plan is knock all this down, and we're going to be bringing an extension from that pillar straight out and back in. So we've been working on stripping out this house. I'll bring you and show you. Pulled up all the floors. It's going to be a drop down level in there. We've knocked this wall down, pulled up the whole floor. Old kitchen used to be there. And now we're working on demolishing this two back extensions.
There's something that'll have what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's...
As you can see, the digger made light work at this front of this old garage. We're working on this wall here now. We've just been working on breaking out this concrete. We're going to get rid of the rest of this rubble. And then we're going to be starting to, once we clear out all this, starting to dig down for foundations. As you can see, quite deep the original foundation, so we're going to have a look at that. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to follow along in the progress of this renovation project. See you next time.